Alright, my name's Ian and I'm here to show you the dual blade laser sword. Let's begin. First you get start. Then you'd press circle, square, up, down, left, left. And it unpauses automatically. It's just a design because it does the same damage as your Omni wrench. It doesn't cut anyone in half with them. That's a glitch. Okay, I have no idea what's going on, but still. I'm also going to show you the Pirate versus Ninja minigame. First you go to a Quark vid comic, and you want it all. Then press square. Then you skip one, and type in Megan. M-E-G-H-A-N. And you press start and the games will begin as you fly to Insomniac Museum. Yeah. And as I'm playing as a ninja, no one's playing. It's a 2-player. That's weird. I'm controlling the pirate as well.